guys, welcome back to Rated G. In today's video we are going to be crushing a Ford Mustang 1967 edition. This will be a 1/24th scale model. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this. Well, this one's pretty sturdy. Right off the bat, we got the windows broke. Tires are all busted. Still pretty sturdy. This one's all metal, but that's why I got it, because I wanted to tear something up that's a little bit sturdier than these plastic ones we've been getting. Yeah, straight metal. Man, they don't build them like this anymore. Literally every old person ever says that. It's a little Hot Wheels Tesla Cybertruck remote control. She's all-wheel drive too. Short intermission on this guy while I find some tools to crush it. Well, it finally happened. After years, I cannot find my hammer, so we're going to use this. Should cause the same destruction. It's really just this steel body that I'm having troubles breaking. Yeah, I really think that's all we're going to get out of the body. It's just metal and it's impossible to break. But really, I mean, when you look at the Mustang before and now, it's definitely a little destroyed and did not make it through the destruction. Whew. And if I sounded tired during this video, guys, I am. It is literally almost 100 degrees out here, but I had to do this for you guys. Get some videos going. I do have some more cars that are going to be coming up, as well as I have some special projects planned. If you like what you see here today, guys, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and until next time.